Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. And if you love tech unboxings and simple tips, you are in the right place. So today in this video, I'll show you how to fix the more options not showing in sensitive content control on Instagram problem. So many users face this issue after the latest update where the sensitive content control setting only shows limited or standard options and the more option is missing. So first of all, let me show you where you can check this option on Instagram. So for this, open the Instagram app. Now at the top right corner, tap on the three horizontal lines. Now scroll down and click on content preferences. Now click on sensitive content. Here you should normally see three options: less, standard and more. But if the more option is not showing here on your account, then don't worry. In this video, I'll show you some simple methods to fix this problem. So let's start. So firstly, update the Instagram app. For this, open the Play Store app. Now at the bottom, tap on the search icon and search for Instagram. Now update it if not, and after this go back to the home page and open the settings app. Now scroll down and click on the apps option. Now click on Instagram, click on storage and cache, tap on clear cache. Now tap on clear storage and tap on delete. Now go back to the previous page and click on force stop. Click on OK. Now go back to the home page and try to log in again your Instagram account. And after this, if your problem is still not resolved, then open the Instagram and scroll down, click on help option. Now click on report a problem. Click on report problem. Now tap on include and continue. And here describe your problem, and after this click on send option. And yeah, that's it. And if you find the information given in the video helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for more updates. Thank you.